Welcome to a world where the silent, stationary life forms we pass by every day hold astonishing secrets. Welcome to the secret life of plants. This journey will take us through the hidden realms of plant communication, their masterful adaptations, the incredible power of photosynthesis, and the awe-inspiring world of ancient plants. Along the way, we'll unveil the latest scientific discoveries that are reshaping our understanding of these green wonders. Prepare to have your mind blown by the hidden wonders of the plant kingdom. Did you know plants are not as silent as they seem? They communicate in ways you've never imagined. Delving into the secret world of plants, we find a bustling network of conversations happening right beneath our feet. Through a complex system of chemical signals and electrical impulses, plants share vital information with each other and their environment. Imagine a forest floor, where tree roots intertwine and interact. Here, plants can warn each other of danger, like incoming pests, or share resources when nutrients are scarce. This chemical chatter, as scientists call it, is a survival strategy that plants have honed over millions of years. But it doesn't stop there. Some plants even use electrical impulses, similar to our nervous system, to respond to environmental changes. This silent communication is a testament to the remarkable adaptability and complexity of plant life. So next time you pass by a plant, remember, it might just be talking to its neighbors. Plants are the ultimate survivalists. They've mastered the art of adaptation like no other life form on Earth. To them, adaptation isn't just a choice, it's a matter of survival. They've had millions of years to perfect this craft, and they've done it in ways that will blow your mind. Take carnivorous plants, for instance. In places where nutrients are scarce, these plants have turned the tables on the food chain. Instead of being the prey, they've become the predator. Venus flytraps, pitcher plants, sundews, they've all developed unique, intricate traps to catch and digest insects. It's a fascinating, yet somewhat eerie testament to their adaptive prowess. But what about those living in the harshest conditions? Let's consider desert cacti. These plants have reshaped their entire existence to survive in the arid, unforgiving desert terrains. They've ditched the conventional leaf structure and transformed their stems into the main site for photosynthesis, minimizing water loss. Their roots spread out wide and shallow, ready to soak up any hint of rain, while their thick, waxy skin helps retain moisture. It's a masterclass in resilience. And let's not forget about the epiphytes, plants that have chosen to live on other plants, not as parasites, but simply to reach the sunlight in dense rainforests. Orchids and bromeliads are prime examples, using trees as their personal ladders to sunlight, while also collecting water and nutrients from the air and rain. Plants have even learned to manipulate their predators. Some release chemicals that attract the predators of their predators, effectively turning their enemies against each other. It's like a real-life Game of Thrones, but in the plant world. What's truly amazing is that these adaptations aren't random. They're the result of countless generations of evolution, each change a calculated response to a specific environmental challenge. It's a slow, relentless march towards survival, one that's been going on since life first took root on this planet. In the face of adversity, plants don't just survive, they thrive. It's a testament to their tenacity, their ingenuity, and their incredible will to live. Truly, they are the masters of adaptation. Harnessing the power of the sun is not just a dream for humans. Plants have been doing it for billions of years. Imagine having the ability to capture sunlight and transform it into energy. It's almost like a superpower, right? Well, this is precisely what plants do every single day through a process known as photosynthesis. This process is not only crucial to plants, but it's also fundamental to the survival and prosperity of nearly all life on Earth. Photosynthesis is a complex chemical process that allows plants to convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that plants use as a source of energy. But that's not all. During this process, plants also produce oxygen as a byproduct, a gas that's vital for the survival of most organisms on our planet, including us humans. Let's break it down a bit more. The process begins when sunlight hits the chlorophyll, the molecule that gives plants their green color, present in the leaves. This energy kickstarts a chain of reactions that combine water and carbon dioxide to produce glucose. and voila, the plant has its food, and we have our oxygen. But why is photosynthesis so important? Well, besides providing oxygen, photosynthesis is also responsible for the energy that fuels the Earth's ecosystems. Plants use the glucose produced during photosynthesis to grow and reproduce, creating food for animals and humans in the process. So, in a way, every meal you've ever had is a result of photosynthesis. Moreover, photosynthesis helps regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, combating the effects of climate change. By absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, plants help to reduce global warming and maintain the Earth's climate. So the next time you enjoy a breath of fresh air, thank a plant for that oxygen. And remember, every time you sit down to eat, you're also reaping the benefits of photosynthesis. This amazing process is a testament to the power and complexity of nature, reminding us of our deep-rooted connection to the natural world. Plants have been around for about 500 million years. Over time, they've developed some pretty amazing features. Now, let's take a step back in time to an era when our green friends began to take root. In the silent epochs of the Earth's history, plants have been the steadfast witnesses to the ever-evolving world. Some of the oldest living plants on Earth have stories that stretch back thousands of years. Take, for instance, the ancient bristlecone pine. These hardy trees, with their gnarled trunks and twisted branches, are not just old, they're ancient. Some of them have been around for nearly 5,000 years, making them among the oldest known non-clonal organisms on Earth. Then there's the towering majesty of the redwoods. These magnificent trees can grow to be more than 300 feet tall. That's about as high as a 30-story building. Imagine a plant reaching that far into the sky and standing strong for centuries. Their colossal size and longevity are a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of plant life. But it's not just the giants that are awe-inspiring. Consider the humble moss that carpets our forest floors. Mosses are some of the oldest plants, dating back around 470 million years. They may not be as grand as the redwoods or as old as the bristlecone pines, but they hold their own unique place in the plant kingdom. These tiny plants have weathered the ages, surviving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Every plant, from the tallest redwood to the smallest moss, has a story to tell. A story of resilience, of adaptation, of survival. A story that spans millions of years and continues to unfold in our backyards, our forests, and our fields. So, the next time you take a walk in the woods, or simply appreciate a plant in your home, remember the ancient lineage that it represents. From the towering redwoods to the ancient bristlecone pines, plants are truly awesome. Plants are not just part of our past and present, they're also key to our future. As we delve into the world of botany, we uncover an array of potential that can lead to remarkable innovations, shaping the way we live and interact with our world. Let's imagine a future where plants are the backbone of our energy production. A concept, yes, but not far-fetched. Think about photosynthesis, the natural process where plants convert sunlight into energy. Scientists worldwide are working tirelessly to mimic this process, creating what they call artificial photosynthesis. Imagine harnessing the sun's energy just like plants do, producing sustainable and renewable energy. It's a future that's closer than we think. But the potential of plants doesn't stop at energy production. They also hold the keys to unlocking new medicines. Plants have been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years, and even today, many of our drugs are plant-based or inspired by plant compounds. As we continue to study and understand plants at a molecular level, we're discovering new compounds with the potential to treat diseases that are currently incurable. Plants are also stepping up to the plate in the fight against climate change. Through a process known as phytoremediation, certain plants can clean up soil, air, and water contaminated by hazardous pollutants. By planting these superheroes in contaminated areas, we can restore and rejuvenate our environment. There's also a growing field known as biomimicry, where we take inspiration from nature to solve human problems. For instance, the lotus leaf, with its water-repelling properties, has inspired self-cleaning materials. The structure of the Venus flytrap has influenced the design of robotic arms. The possibilities are, quite literally, as diverse as nature itself. The future also holds promise for genetically modified plants. By manipulating their genetic makeup, we can make plants that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and adverse weather conditions. This could revolutionize our food supply, making it more sustainable and resilient. So as we continue to discover and understand the secrets of plants, we're also uncovering a treasure trove of potential innovations. From sustainable energy and new medicines to combating climate change and inspiring new technologies, plants are showing us the way. As we continue to discover the secrets of plants, who knows what future innovations await? So there you have it, the secret life of plants, full of wonder, innovation, and surprise. We've learned how they communicate silently, adapt masterfully to their surroundings, harness the sun's power through photosynthesis, and bear witness to the ancient history of our planet. We've also glimpsed the future, where plants are poised to revolutionize our world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the secret life of plants. Remember, every plant has a story to tell. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the wonders of the plant kingdom.